In today's live production environment, very often people want to be able to bring in external content to that live production. This could be a computer, a Mac or a PC. Maybe they want to look at a keynote or a PowerPoint. Maybe they want to look at a web page or even play a video from YouTube. Another type of device that they want to be able to bring in is an Apple Airplay device. You know, everybody has an iPad or an iPod or an iPhone these days. Well, those devices can also wirelessly beam content, pictures, and even full motion video with audio directly into one of the TriCaster's network inputs. Let's take a look. Right here are the two network inputs for the TriCaster, and there's a little pop-down arrow here that allows you to select any of the computers that are on the same network as the TriCaster. Now, these computers need to be running IVGA, and IVGA is available, as we talked about earlier, both on the disk that comes in the box and from the NewTek registration website. Now, there's a version for Mac and there's a version for the PC, and one of the great things is IVGA doesn't have to be installed on the computer in order to be running on the computer. You can run it from a thumb drive. Then, any computer on the same network as the TriCaster that's running IVGA will show up in this list, and it will allow you to select it and then switch to it like any other input in the TriCaster. Now, there are two network inputs allowing you to connect to two computers at the same time. So you could connect to a computer and switch to it, set up your next computer, go ahead and switch to that one, and then come back to the here and select another computer. Now, this just happens to be a graphic being output, but again, you get the idea. While I'm on preview, I can use that to select the next computer that I want to roll in and instantly roll dozens of computers into my live production without having to swap a cable or use a scan converter. You also have the ability to bring Apple Airplay devices into these network inputs. Now, again, you're going to have a wireless network set up to do this. So set up a wireless network and connect that wireless hub to the TriCaster with a wire. That way, it's connected via a wire, and now there's a wireless network that all of the Apple Airplay devices can log on to. Now, once they log on, you want to go to the network inputs in the TriCaster, and you want to set them to receive. You could set one or both to receive. Now, once you've done that, you can go to the Apple Airplay device that's on the same network as the TriCaster, select some media, run the media, and then when the media is running, you can tap on the screen and you can select the TriCaster's network input. They will show up on the Apple device. Then your Apple Airplay device will show up in the network input in the TriCaster, and you're able to switch it right into your live production.